Guns.
Okay. Playing creative. I'm bad. This is computer. Don't play computer ever. I play Xbox. The heck? I can't even play. There we go.
You have guns in your...
We have to go to different ones, I think.
This is pretty good.
I'm an idiot. Mr. Did you break me down?
I don't know what happened.
Huh?
I don't know what happened.
Did you fall down too? Crap. I suck at build. Oh, I'm dead. Crap.
No!
Ah, dang it! The same thing happened.
Oh, I found the guns. Okay.
Okay, wait for me.
Do not go on the left side. Or go on the right side. Because those are where yours are. I'm gonna build a wall in between us. I bet they would have spawned and we just had to wait longer. We're gonna cross the entire thing.
We're idiots.
This wall is mine, you have to go to the other side.
Okay, let's do Hobbits. We have to do things that aren't in the game anymore.
Okay, but it has to be fair.
Yeah, no, it can be anything.
Okay, how about this? The row that's closest to the exit. Those are the only stuff you can use.
Well, I already picked up some guns.
Then drop them all. The row closest to the.
Yeah, my guns aren't even working yet. Are yours?
This is not a good loadout.
Yeah, my guns haven't even came yet.
Yeah, some of mine are. Oh, some of them are deleted.
Let me look at yours.
I have some, but then back here there's like 15 that are missing. What are you using then? There's not even there's nothing good at all.
Yeah, can I? There's none on my side. Can I just use yours then?
Yeah.
There's mine. Dude, oh my gosh.
Are there any shotguns?
Nope.
Okay, so actually, I'm just using. I got a good idea. Hunting rifle SMG. That's all I'm using. And then, yeah, hunting rifle SMG.
I'm not trying to shoot you. Okay, it does do it.
Oh, and flintlock. Hunting rifle SMG flintlock. That's what we're using. Okay.
Hunting rifle. I already. Oh my gosh. Where's the SMG? Where's hunting rifle? Okay, it's infantry.
Alright.
Where's hunting?
Hunting rifle? It should spawn back in. Oh, okay. I fell all the way down.
Where is it though? Go easy on me, okay? Where's hunting? Hey, it's hunting center if it's not here.
Okay.
I'm just using infantry, okay?
It sounds good, but...
Okay.
Yeah, let me see if it comes up for me. Yep, it comes up for me.
Where?
I'll drop it for you.
I don't even see you.
I'm up here.
Don't kill me.
So what's your load up?
I got oh my gosh, voice crack. I got impulse nades too.
Okay, I'm not gonna use those, but...
Can I use them still?
Yeah.
So they're not like new guns.
Right.
Be nice to me.
I'm not even shooting, I'm just building.
I'm just...
Are you trying to shoot me down or what?
No.
Oh my god!
You head dinked me?
What? What'd I hit you with?
You hit me at 180.
No way.
Yes, you hit me for... Is that a flintlock?
Yeah, I came from all the way from the... I jumped as high as I could, did a 360, hit you with a flintlock in your head.
Dude, my voice sounds so awkward, man.
Yeah, after you leave for 4 months, you're a better builder. I swear. Every time you take a break, you're better.
Really welcome.
Lucky.
Floor gang.
See how high this guy to the top?
Yeah, don't screen peek.
By the expression in your face, I can tell exactly where you are on the map.
Actually?
The exact tile. No.
Okay, because I thought you were like...
Whoops.
Epic power.
Any second until I just get popped in your forehead.
Where are you at?
Whoa.
That's where you
Nang.
I'm a him guy.
Nice.
Big Brooklyn. Oh, ah, spooky! I'll play Minecraft later, please.
Fine.
I saw you trap a little sticky on. I saw you. Oh. Okay, guys, this video can't go longer than 15 minutes. It has like a limit thing. I don't know why. Oh, you hit me! Billy Brinko.
You survived 2 shots though.
No, I haven't.
No, you can. Unless a headshot.
No, I already survived the whole thing. Stinky fool. I hope he's. Oh! You spoiled sneaky on me. Fishing up. It's not letting me move.
Uh-oh.
I can't move. I can't move. I can't move. I can't move.
Uh-oh.
Okay, now I can move. I can move. Okay. That was a glitch. Dude, go easy on me. You mean poopy butt stink? Okay.
Ready? Here we go, boys. You ready? Flint knock on top of your head, then hit you with the hunting rifle.
Totally.
Nice.
You missed.
Yeah, I'm not the best player in the world, okay?
That's you one. I cannot crank on this 8, guys. I'm sorry.
Whoa. Oh, that somehow I let you get high ground.
You saw me right there, didn't you? Here, I'm negotiating. I'm negotiating something. Here. Take that, take that. Where you at? Where you at? Let me pop that. Take it.
Take what?
Where you at?
Somewhere.
I'm the negotiator.
What do you... I'm not... I don't want to do that.
I know you are now.
Oh, it's...
Oh, yeah. Crap, what just happened? Oh my gosh.
I'm locked on to you.
I see you.
You know?
No, I'm not there. This is a trash video. The name's gonna be like recording 3 or something of this video at first. I'll try to change it, but it's just a glitch that happens. Hey, don't. I'm horrible.
No scope.
Oh my gosh, you were so close.
No scope.
I can see you poking out. It's probably fair if you no scopes.
No scope.
It's so long.
No scope.
You hit me. I'm at 1 health. So funny.
I could just spray you with an SMG right now and kill you. No scope. Oh god.
Oh, leave! It's my little brother.
No scope.
Yeah.
Oh. Wait.
Oh, it keeps happening. Don't shoot me, okay?
No scope.
Don't shoot me. Floor gang.
No scope.
That's pretty good.
No scope.
Did I hit you?
No
yet?
scope.
Have I hit you yet?
No scope.
Did I hit you that one time?
Nope.
Kidding. Better than me. Oh, I'm an idiot.
Well, I can hit you and you can't hit me.
How? I hate it.
Whip. Whip.
Oh my gosh, it's so glitchy. My elbow got stuck to the table.
No scope.
It's a hunting rifle.
Uh-oh.
Oh. Oh, that hurt. Oh! No scope!
No scope.
No scope!
I will avenge myself.
Avenge myself. Not you, myself.
No scope.
Actually,
I'm gonna drop on your head and I guarantee 1000% I hit this shot.
it happened again.
What are you doing?
I honestly don't know. I'm glitching like crazy. You guys can see that, right?
Wait.
Oh my
Oh,
gosh.
here comes Wesley.
Holy crap, I'm glitching. There we go. You leave!
Oh, whoops.
You leave! You leave now! This must stop. Oh, right, big old. Did you pickaxe him?
Yep. Hunting rifle, blue SMG, flintlock.
Oh my gosh. Okay, this is the first time I've ever. It's like, guys.
I can literally shoot you right now.
So can I.
Ah!
Okay, I hate this. Okay, guys. I might end it here.
I might end it here. Oh, nice.
I feel like I'm 7 again.
It's only a matter of time to like 316 no scope you. Are you guys fighting?
Kind of. He's on Xbox and he's decent, and I'm on PC for the 5th time I've ever played. No, this is actually the 3rd time ever. 4th?
Oh, here he comes.
Yes.
He's building.
I'm actually kind of
He's
decent
building.
for beginning.
Oh.
My building's kind of messed up, different than most people.
That was the fastest 90 I've ever cranked in my life.
Actually?
Yeah. You know, I'm one of them until I fall off the side of the mountain.
Yeah, I might be able to do
I don't know where a
stuff.
single person is. I beat Wesley to high ground, but then I fell off the side. So
At least there's no fall damage.
yeah, that's why I never battle because I'm not good enough to. I'm good enough to get high ground, but not to keep not to be consistent.
Consistently 4 gang.
Oh, I just fall off the side again. The game is good. Oh. Yeah, Wesley's really up there.
That's me.
Oh, the drift came on.
Really?
Yeah, one of them did.
Well, there's only 2 people other than you. Okay, I'm gonna end it here, guys. See ya.
Again,